Welcome to our channel, where we embark on an exciting journey into the world of woodworking. Here, we celebrate the artistry and craftsmanship that goes into creating beautiful wooden pieces, from intricate crafts to functional furniture. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, our channel is designed to inspire and equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to bring your creative visions to life. We'll explore various techniques, tools, and materials, while also sharing tips and tricks to enhance your woodworking projects, ensuring that each creation is not only unique, but also a reflection of your personal style. As we dive into this captivating craft, we'll also delve into the broader aspects of woodworking, discussing its significance in sustainable living and home decor. You'll discover how to turn your passion for woodworking into a rewarding business opportunity, tapping into the growing demand for handmade, quality products. Join our community of fellow enthusiasts as we share our experiences, engage in discussions, and celebrate the joy of crafting with wood. Together, we'll build not just projects, but also friendships and a supportive environment where creativity thrives. Let's get started on this woodworking adventure. If you're enjoying our content and finding inspiration in our woodworking journey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By hitting that subscribe button, you'll stay updated on all our latest videos, tutorials, and tips, ensuring you never miss out on the exciting projects we have in store. We encourage you to like and share our videos with fellow woodworking enthusiasts or anyone looking to explore this rewarding craft. Your support helps us grow our community and continue bringing you valuable content. And remember, stay with us until the end of each video. We often share bonus tips, behind-the-scenes insights, and answers to your questions that can elevate your woodworking skills even further. Thank you for being part of our journey, and let's create something amazing together. The growing market for handmade wood products. In recent years, the demand for handmade wooden items has surged, driven by a growing appreciation for artisanal craftsmanship. Consumers are increasingly seeking unique, high-quality products that tell a story and reflect their values. This trend opens up vast opportunities for woodworking enthusiasts to tap into a market that favors sustainability and individuality. By creating distinctive wooden crafts and furniture pieces, artisans can cater to consumers looking for alternatives to mass-produced items, establishing a niche for themselves in this thriving market. Sustainability in woodworking. Sustainability is a key consideration in today's crafting and furniture-making landscape. Many consumers are concerned about the environmental impact of their purchases, making sustainably sourced wood a highly sought-after material. Woodworkers can capitalize on this trend by choosing reclaimed or responsibly harvested timber for their projects. This not only minimizes environmental impact but also adds unique character to each piece, as reclaimed wood often carries a history and charm that new materials lack. By promoting sustainable practices, woodworkers can attract eco-conscious customers and build a reputable brand. Home decor trends favoring wood. Wood has always been a beloved material in home decor, and current trends emphasize natural elements. With the rise of biophilic design, which seeks to connect people with nature through design, wooden products are increasingly featured in modern interiors. From rustic to contemporary styles, woodworking can accommodate various aesthetics, allowing artisans to experiment with different techniques and finishes. This versatility enables woodworkers to create items that appeal to a broad audience, enhancing their marketability and profitability. Crafting as a therapeutic pursuit. Engaging in woodworking can also be a therapeutic outlet for many individuals. The process of shaping and creating with wood allows for a meditative experience, helping to alleviate stress and promote mindfulness. This aspect of woodworking not only enhances the craftsperson's personal well-being, but can also be marketed as a beneficial hobby to others. Workshops or classes can be offered to those interested in learning, creating additional revenue streams while fostering a community around the craft. The benefits of a home-based business. Starting a woodworking business from home offers numerous advantages. It eliminates the need for costly overhead associated with renting commercial space, allowing artisans to invest more in materials and tools. A home workshop can be a creative sanctuary, providing the freedom to work at one's own pace. Additionally, with the rise of e-commerce, woodworkers can easily market their products online, reaching customers far beyond their local area. This flexibility and accessibility make woodworking an appealing option for aspiring entrepreneurs. Diversifying product offerings. One of the keys to success in woodworking is diversifying product offerings. While specializing in a particular type of furniture or craft can be beneficial, exploring various categories allows woodworkers to attract different customer segments. For instance, alongside furniture, artisans can create smaller home decor items, kitchenware, or even toys. This variety not only keeps the creative process fresh, but also increases the potential for sales, as different customers may be drawn to different types of products. Building an online presence. In today's digital age, establishing a strong online presence is crucial for any woodworking business. Social media platforms, websites, and online marketplaces provide woodworkers with the tools they need to showcase their creations and connect with potential buyers. Sharing high-quality images of finished products, behind-the-scenes processes, and customer testimonials can build trust and interest in one's brand. By engaging with the audience through regular updates and storytelling, woodworkers can cultivate a loyal customer base and drive sales. Leveraging local markets. Local markets and craft fairs present excellent opportunities for woodworkers to showcase their creations directly to consumers. Participating in these events allows artisans to gain immediate feedback, build relationships, and enhance their local visibility. Additionally, selling at local venues helps support community engagement and fosters connections with fellow artisans. This grassroots approach can lead to repeat customers and word-of-mouth referrals, further enhancing business growth. Collaborating with other artisans. Collaboration can be a powerful way to expand a woodworking business. Partnering with other artisans, such as metalworkers, textile designers, or painters, can lead to innovative product offerings that blend different materials and techniques. Such collaborations not only enhance creativity, but also open up new marketing avenues, as each artisan can tap into the other's customer base. This synergy fosters a vibrant creative community and can lead to unique, high-demand products. Customization and personalization. Offering customization options can significantly enhance a woodworking business's appeal. Many customers are looking for personalized items that fit their specific needs or preferences, whether it's a custom-sized piece of furniture or a unique design. By providing tailored options, woodworkers can differentiate themselves from competitors and justify premium pricing. This level of customer service fosters loyalty and encourages repeat business, as clients appreciate the attention to their individual desires. The educational aspect of woodworking. Woodworking can also serve as an educational tool, both for the artisan and for those interested in learning the craft. Offering classes or workshops can not only supplement income, but also help cultivate a new generation of woodworkers. Teaching others about techniques, safety, and design can be rewarding and can build a community around the craft. Additionally, educational content shared online, such as tutorials or tips, can enhance brand visibility and attract potential customers. The impact of quality craftsmanship. High-quality craftsmanship is paramount in woodworking, as it establishes a reputation and builds trust with customers. Paying attention to detail, using quality materials, and ensuring durability can set a woodworker apart in a competitive market. Consumers are often willing to pay a premium for well-crafted items that promise longevity. By focusing on craftsmanship, artisans can create a brand synonymous with quality, leading to customer loyalty and referrals. Marketing through storytelling. Storytelling is a powerful marketing tool that can resonate deeply with consumers. Sharing the inspiration behind a piece, the process of its creation, or the source of the materials can create a connection between the artisan and the buyer. This narrative not only enhances the perceived value of the product, but also reinforces the artisan's brand identity. By weaving personal stories into their marketing efforts, woodworkers can attract customers who appreciate authenticity and craftsmanship. As the woodworking industry continues to evolve, staying ahead of future trends is vital. Emerging technologies, such as CNC machines and laser cutters, are changing how wood products are made, allowing for more precise and intricate designs. Additionally, trends in sustainable materials and practices are expected to grow. By embracing innovation and being adaptable, woodworkers can ensure their businesses remain relevant and profitable in a changing landscape. These insights highlight the myriad aspects of woodworking as a business opportunity, emphasizing creativity, sustainability, and community engagement. By harnessing these elements, artisans can build successful careers while contributing positively to their environments and communities. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video. We truly appreciate your support and hope you found inspiration and valuable information for your woodworking projects. If you enjoyed what you saw, please consider liking the video and sharing it with your friends and fellow woodworking enthusiasts. Your engagement not only helps us reach a wider audience, but also motivates us to keep creating quality content for you. We love hearing your thoughts and experiences, so feel free to leave a comment below with any questions or ideas you'd like us to explore in future videos. Together, let's continue to build a vibrant community centered around the art of woodworking. Thank you once again, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.